Kirang bat ki Thei ranar na keleng ki distrik Khubor Meghalaya kila poi banya shimbenta haka Lympung ranar Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament bala penlong da ka Ribhoi Weightlifting Association harangkat ka jing trailang bat ka Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ha indoor stadium lang kedan. Kani ka jing Iakop ranar la penlong arsngi haka khatway tarik yayong bat penkut haka khat ar tarik yayong. La sakhiru ba kani ka Lympung bosong shit bat ba itenan da bon spa ngut kinong kershan bat nong petkai haba kirang bat ki Thei kila kiu sharansan ban pen i borksa bat bor raikut ha kani ka jinga khun ban yo ra takma bat ikinam jingjob haki kerdan ba pher Hakasngi penkut UMP Lok Sabha na Shillong Dr. Ricky AG Sengkon ulalong kongsan hakajing dan lang uba John F. Karshieng President Meghalaya States Olympic Association uba MB Tongper ADC Ribhoi ba Donald Rambai President Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ba Anthony Karnayor President Ribhoi District Weightlifting Association bat kiwe kinong nyalam Dr. Ricky AG Sengkon ulai khublei kinong penyat ki bala shim khia ban penlong yakani ka Lympung ka ba itenan hak juga por ulai khublei ru ya ki kimi ki kpa ki balong kinong kershan ki ba kongsan nag benta ki khun ba kilawan ban ai man si mila ki khun hakani ka Lympung haka bakut jong kate ka Lympung nakaliang kinong penyat kila samru da kita kama bat ki sernot sha baro kinong job hagi kerdan ba pher na kani ka Lympung
No less.
That today is not just a celebration of strength, but of discipline, of determination, of coordination, and the unwavering spirit of our athletes. Now to all the participants, men, women, I also saw some young ones. You, each one of you, you are the heart of this great event. Well, the sport of weightlifting is not merely lifting weights. I believe it's also about lifting your own limits. And we saw today one of the athletes whose body weight is 55 kg and lifting, I think, 80 kg. So it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting our limits, mentally, physically, and even emotionally. So the level of discipline that you as an athlete, you follow, the coordination between your mind and your body, the commitment to your training, and the inner strength that you show on this platform, I would say, and all of us would agree, it's truly commendable. You all are champions in your own right, regardless of the result. You all are champions. Therefore, I would say, I would also take this opportunity to say to the organizers, a heartfelt thanks to all organizers who have provided such a platform to the lifters to showcase their talent. Well, I would say that events like these are the stepping stones. Stepping stones for the future, not just sports in our state, but also to this great nation of ours. To the organizers, your efforts in putting together this competition is not just, I would say, logistical achievement, but a service to the sporting spirit of this great nation of ours. And to the parents and spectators, your support, I am telling you, is indeed priceless. Because behind every successful athlete stands a family that believe in their children, that believe in their boy. So, to parents, to the guardians, I would say that your encouragement, your sacrifices and presence today is indeed very, very crucial.
Ms. Khubor, the bronze medal goes to Khubor. Thank you. In the women's 71 kg category, the gold medal goes to Iakop to Sri FP Tokper. The recognition will be to Sri. We will now felicitate Sri. May I now invite gold medal goes to one Sunday and Khubor from East Africa District. Can we support them with a round of applause, please? Thank you very much, sir.
Nobody's biting the medal. Somebody should bite the medal. Yeah.